Hi, so what's an EPC? I'm going to explain what is an EPC, who needs one, why you need one, and how to get one done. EPC stands for Energy Performance Certificate. It's a 3 to 5 page document that rates the property from an A, the highest, to G, the lowest. The higher the rating, the lower will be the energy costs of the home. The EPC will also give recommendations on energy-saving improvements that could be made on the property that would help to lower your energy bills. The most common reasons for needing an EPC is if you are selling or renting a property. This is because, by law, you must give the incoming resident a valid EPC. Also, if you're renting a property, the property must reach at least an E energy rating. If it's not, then you will have to make some of the improvements recommended on the EPC. An EPC is carried out by a qualified and accredited domestic energy assessor. To produce the EPC, the assessor has to visit the property. Your assessor will take dimensions of the property and also gather information about the existing lighting, heating, glazing and current insulation. This information is then entered into approved government software which produces the EPC. The EPC is then lodged on the National EPC Register. That's it, you're all done. Your EPC is then valid for 10 years. If you have any questions or need an EPC, you can give us a call on the number below or just visit our website.